ganun din at pinag-usapan sa namin ang pagpapaganda, papalago, papalapad at papalalim ng relasyon ng Pilipinas at saka ng Japan. At dahil hindi uh, napag-usapan din namin kung ano yung mga maaari pang gawin upang maging mas malapit pa ang ating dalawang bansa. Nung nung state dinner, nakasama His Majesty the Emperor at saka Her Majesty Empress, ay ano naman, iba naman yung pinag-usapan namin. We talked about our shared experiences in Oxford University, and it turns out mga music lover din pala yung Emperor at Empress. Kaya yun din ang pinag-usapan namin. Dahil talagang pare-pareho ang mga pinagdaanan din namin, and it was a very, shall we say, warm conversation, and we were very flattered that although we of course the Japanese are very strict about formality and ritual. But once we did that, the Emperor and the Empress were very, very warm and treated us like long-lost friends, for which we are very grateful to the Emperor and the Empress. Their Majesties were as gracious and as hospitable as any other host that we have had.